Having trouble hearing people around you sometimes? With iOS 12, your AirPods can use a feature originally made for iPhone-enabled hearing aids called Live Listen. It's really cool and really easy to set up. Here's how. To enable Live Listen, head to Settings, then Control Center, and then finally tap Customize Controls. Look for the Hearing option and add it with a tap of the plus sign. Now you've got Live Listen set up. Here's how to use it. First, make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone and in your ears. Then, bring down the Control Center and tap that Hearing button you just enabled. By default, Live Listen is off, but you can turn it on with just a tap. You'll see the little dots light up to show you the input level. Live Listen uses your iPhone's microphone to listen to the environment and send the sound, boosted, to your AirPods. So it works best if you enable it and then place your phone near the person you're having trouble hearing. Or if it's the TV you can't hear clearly, place your phone next to the TV speakers.